Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Adivasi Zami from Food Security Course. Today I will present about my industrial training at the Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan. This is some of memory that I capture while doing this training. I start my presentation with the chapter 1, which is introduction. First, introduction to organization. The vision to be the best Islamic religious affair management institute for the prosperity of Ummah by 2021, and their mission is producing the belief and pity Ummah through the quality management based on Quran and Sunnah. Next, for the organisation background, JAID one of the state governments of the Pahang Darul Makmur and headquarters in the Pekan. JAID was established in 1926, known as the Council of the Muslim Members. This is the organisation chart that's contain around 35 staff. Service that offered by Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan, such as the education service, management service, Islamic family law and the preaching. Let's move to the chapter 2, summary of the industry training activity. For the introduction, the general activity that I do is pick up the call from the client who want to ask about the merit promotion application process, Imunakahat and etc. Other than that, I also working at the counter outside the office, which the client will scan my data and take the queue number before entering the office. Next, the general things that I do when do the inspection, especially in the supermarket, is checking the veins of the salted chicken and take the picture to make a report. Of the daily activity, I divide into two parts, which is the halal part and the married divorce rujuk part. For the halal part, I usually go to the site like the factory to do the inspection. I only get 3 opportunity to join the inspection due to the pandemic season. The things that I did when making the inspections was taking picture around the process area, identify the wrong commit and make the summary report to the ustad. While for the inspection in the supermarket, I had to check the status of the import miso and the halal certificate of the chicken. For the married divorce and rujuk part, I will usually be at the counter to answer the question from the customer, such as the married application process, divorce process and etc. Next, for the technical report, I get 2 projects, which is the halal application for the product and create the program related to halal. For the first project, which is the halal certificate application for the daging masak opor, the first thing I do is identify my product certification scheme, create the company logo and the company halal policy. After that, I make the organisation chart for the internal halal committee and make the offer letter for them. Next, I will list all the raw materials and key in all this material into the My e-halal system. Lastly, I make all the copy for the document that need to be prepared and keep in the file. My second project that I do is the Halal Talk program, which has been held on the Saturday night, 13 July 2021 at the 9 p.m. This program has been done in the questions and answer session. Around 8 questions that I have asked to Ustaz, such as why the packaging from the Saudi Arabians does not have the halal logo, how to run the certain process for the machine that's very sensitive to water, and etc. Overall, I am very grateful to be given the opportunity to do the industry training, which give me a lot of benefit. By doing the industry training at the Pejabat Agama Islam Daerah Kuantan, I gain more knowledge on the halal certificate application and the certification audit. Other than that, I can also add my knowledge related to marriage. Finally, I will use all the knowledge that I learned as the guide for the work environment in future. The suggestion for the industry training program, the faculty does not need to send the form directly to the supervisor via the email to avoid the miscommunication. Next, the faculty also need to keep update with the student to prevent any problem occurring, especially during the pandemic. The suggestion for the organisation, the one thing that SPI needs to improve is not put all the practical student under one official only, which can cause the official not able to focus on the student. The suggestion for myself, in future, I will improve my communication skill. By doing this training, I noticed that I was not very confident to talk to the official for fear of the misunderstanding. Appendix A shows the among the things that we do when making the inspections. Appendix B show the group of the student practical that's complete industry training at the Pejabat Agama. That's all for me. Thank you.